How to set up Chase Bank Online Bill Pay. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to set up Bill Pay in the Chase app. So first, open your Chase app. On the home screen, tap the Pay and Transfer button at the bottom left. Then select Pay Bills from the option. Now, to add a new payee, tap the blue Add a Payee button at the top. You can search for a company or individual by typing their name here. If the company shows up in the list, Chase can automatically send your payment within 2 to 3 business days. If not, you can manually add the payee by selecting Add Pay Manually. Once you enter the name, address, and any required account numbers, confirm the details, and hit save. And that's it. You have successfully set up your Chase Bill Pay. Now, you can schedule payments to be sent automatically every month or however often you need. Hopefully, this quick guide helped you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.